Hi everybody, today I'm going to tell you about GCP Conversational Agents plugin for Universal Orchestrator. This is a plugin that lets you interact with conversational agents that you might have defined on your Google Cloud project, so existing agents that you can integrate in your workflows. This is the home of Universal Orchestrator. We will go to the design part and add a new task template with conversational agents as a plugin. We can give it a name, workstation, and in the connection we will need both a project ID and a location. These are both required, and then we can either connect via service file or Google Cloud credentials. These are simple fields you can find on your service file for your account, or you give in the service file directly. This is not required because if you don't give in any file, the plugin will look for an environment variable defined with the name Google Application Credentials, and that should point to a path where a service file is located. In this case, we will give an actual path, so we will not rely on default credentials. This has to be an existing path on the agent you're using. So I know that on this agent, there is this file in this path. And now we will test the connection. Afterwards, the action panel has only two fields. One is the agent name that lets you select between multiple agents because you could have more than one. We will select this agent, which is a weather forecast agent, and I will give in a question like, what's the weather in Rome today? And then I'll save the definition. Right now, I will be able to run it like this. And we will find it on the monitoring. It's still executing, so we will wait for it to be successful in order to show you the task log. So here is the task log of our task template. As you can see, these are all the fields we inserted previously. And we have the response from the agent, which is declared as AI agent result, the match type, which is playbook, and the intent detection confidence. So how confident was the agent in giving this response? We also have output properties such as agent ID, confidence, match type, response ID, and the actual result and the session ID. Thank you.